we are a real-time recommendation engine. So as soon as there is an interaction from the user, within milliseconds, we provide new recommendations in all the different engines which we provide. So everything we do is in real time. So, if you watch a content or if you have the possibility to rate a content in the user interface, within milliseconds, these interactions will be taken into consideration. The second part, as far as I read the question, is there are traditional recommendation engines, particularly on the collaborative side, that if there is a new asset coming into the catalog, it's not recommended until users interact with the asset. So this is also not the case with our backend, because when there's a new asset coming into our backend, we can immediately take it into consideration for recommendations based on their profile information or the use case which it's supposed to serve. And maybe the last nuance of this question I can think of is it's the learning cycle. So very often also referred to as a cold start problem with recommendations. We have a solution where we only need very few interactions, maybe 1 or 2 interactions from the user. And let's remember, this can be simply watching events or rating events, depending on the implementation. And from the first interaction onwards, we can actually provide personal recommendations. So unlike other recommendation providers, we don't need a training cycle, which is weeks or sometimes even months long, to provide personalized recommendations to the user.